I think we managed it today as well, board. I think we're live on the internet.
Looks like it. Thanks for joining. Today, we're going to come into a small product update. This will not be a very long stream. And what are we going to talk about today, Didrik?
Today, we're going to introduce something freshly made that utilizes the Shop API, where we have the carts, but today we are also introducing wishlists.
Exactly. So let's just jump straight into it. Just a small recap. So this is just using one of the Crystallize accelerators. And as a reminder, the Shop API is basically managing everything around pricing and calculations, right? So here you have an example of a cart where you manage, whatever products I've added to the cart, any coupons, setting the context, generating the correct prices and discounts. So that's the scope of the Shop API in terms of carts. Now, Crystallize has always been multi-cart, right? So I'm not sure if you have any good examples of multi-cart scenarios, Didrik.
Well, some B2B cases, or if you're trying to put me on scope here. I was reading a message that was coming in, but yes, I think you have one word. Thank you.
Good prep, Didrik. I'm proud of
that was a good prep. I was all on it.
Yeah, no, but multi-cart, right? So it might be in B2B that as a logged-in user, maybe you act on behalf of several organizations, for example, and you might want to have different carts for different organizations, as an example. But
exactly what I was going to say.
But what we have introduced is small but powerful. We've introduced a new type on the cart, which can be either a cart or a wish list. And you can also have a name on the cart, my products, very good name. And this works as usual. We're not going to do a full demo on the Shop API. You can watch a previous live stream where we go into details on how the full checkout flow works. But essentially, the new thing now is that you can set the type and the name of the cart. So here we have a business as usual. We have a cart. And what you can also do then is in the checkout funnel, you have full overview over all the activity in terms of carts. Here you can also see if there is a wish list that has been added or if it is a cart. Important thing to note, if you change it to wish list, it doesn't expire. So that's the main difference between a cart and a wish list, because typically here, if I have this my wishes, I've added this to a customer, and we see here that we have a new wish list. Now I'm just creating new. Of course, you would refresh the wish list that you would be working on with a particular customer. But here you have at least examples of creating both wish list and cart. As always, multi-cart compatible, so you can have as many wish lists as you want. And in order to make it even simpler to manage them, you can also fetch all carts and wish lists that are connected to, for example, a particular user. So here you're able to basically allow for filtering. You can filter on the type of cart, the states, the name contains, customer, etc., etc. So that this is typically what you would use in order to, let's say, on my page on the dashboard, I'm listing all my carts, and this is the query for that.
And of course, another strong thing about this is that to create a cart from a wish list, It's just a matter of switching types.
Yes. And of course, as usual, if you provide the ID when hydrating, you're not creating a new cart. You're just refreshing that one. So that's the flow you want to do. You create a new wish list. You have the wish list identifier connected to the customer, and you use this in local storage or however you're managing your states. And that's it.
That's it. Short and sweet today.
It's a super useful addition. Super simple to work with. And as Didrik said, you can switch between cart and wish list. So you can make a wish list a cart and a cart a wish list. The difference is the wish list doesn't expire, right? So you can keep it around, where the cart expires based on the configuration you've set for how long the cart should live, as we've discussed in previous live streams. And that's it. You use the hydration and you use the fetch, typically to fetch all carts that belongs to a customer. So let's end it there, Didrik. Short and sweet today.
So. Short and sweet
Check
overview.
It's already in the shop API. Give us your thoughts and comment in our Slack channel if you have any comments.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and see you next week. We will do another stream.
Bye.